Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting equation. X plus 1 is equal to x. And in this video we're going to find the values of x that will satisfy this equation. Okay? So let's get started. Now let's try the following. And we square both sides. So let's see what will come up. So from the left hand side we have x plus 1 whole squared. This will be equal to, from the right hand side, x whole squared. Now from this left hand side we get x squared plus 2x plus 1. So this will give us at the right hand side x squared. Now x squared, they are both positive from both sides, so we can subtract them from both sides. And then we are left with 2x plus 1, which is equal to 0. This one is positive, take it to the right hand side and it will become negative. We get 2x is equal to negative 1. Divide both sides by 2, the coefficient of x. So this will cancel this. So you can see from here now, we come up with the solution that x is equal to negative 1 over 2. But the question here is, does this satisfy the equation? Remember our equation is x plus 1 is equal to x. Now if we plug in negative 1 over 2, the right hand side will be negative 1 over 2, right? So here we have negative 1 over 2 plus 1, which will give us positive 1 over 2. And we can see that obviously these are not equal, right? Okay, now let's try another way. We have x plus 1 is equal to x. Now let's subtract x from both sides. If you subtract x from both sides, we get 1 is equal to 0. And we know that this is clearly a contradiction, right? So this is a contradiction. And no real or complex number can satisfy this equation. X plus 1 is equal to x. So we know this is a false statement. It is a contradiction. And we know that obviously 1 cannot be equal to 0. So we can say that solution set is an empty set, right? You can say x is an empty set, right? So no real solution or complex solution. Now, many may think about infinity. What if x is equal to infinity? If you think of infinity in a conceptual sense, not a real number, but rather a mathematical abstraction, then we can say that infinity plus infinity is equal to infinity. Obviously, this is true, right? So actually, this is a mathematical abstraction, right, that represents something infinitely large. We can see that infinity plus infinity here is equal to infinity. But to be honest, in a real mathematical world, this is not a proper solution, right? So this may make sense in other concepts, but in this case here, this doesn't make enough sense, right? So the only solution that is real solution or complex solution to this equation is that there is no solution, right? So this is our solution right over here. No solution, that is empty set. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share, and please try to subscribe to my channel.